Hey everybody, Professor Benelli here with a little video to gear you up and let you know what is going on with Unit 5. I want to get you psyched about Unit 5. Remember, this is going to be a big week because of your Unit 4 DB. But let's get started with my office hour chat schedule. My office hour chat schedule for this week is as follows. My office hours will be held on Monday, which will be May 4th. And that will be from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time as usual. And on Tuesday, May 5th, our very last chat, I'm sad about that, chat number 5, will be held at our usual time. Check your classroom for details. Okay, so Unit 4 due dates that we have coming up on Tuesday, May 5th, very important. You have two things due on Tuesday, May 5th. Firstly, you have your Unit 4 in Telepath due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time, and then the biggie is on Tuesday, May 5th, you have your Unit 4 discussion board responses due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. This is the second portion of the Unit 4 DB assignment where you're responding to your two classmates. And remember, everybody, each of your responses must be at least 100 words in length. So get this in. You had two important writing assignments this semester, the Unit 2 discussion board and the Unit 4 discussion board. Get this in, please. Okay, so your Unit 5 due dates are as follows. Friday, May 8th, you will have your Unit 5 determined knowledge due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And then on Tuesday, May 12th, you will have your Unit 5 in Telepath due, the last assignment for our class. So Unit 5 in Telepath will be due May 12th by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. All right, hope this helps. Hope you are staying safe, and I will see you in our chat on Tuesday. Have a good one, everybody.